Want to turn your kitchen scraps into black gold for your garden? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to compost at home, even if you live in a small space. Let's get started. First, pick your compost method. Outdoor bin for yards, small countertop bin for apartments, worm compost, vermicomposting. If you're tight on space, pro tip, make sure your bin has air holes and a lid. You need the right mix of greens and browns. Greens =sign food scraps, coffee grounds, veggie peels. Browns =sign dry leaves, shredded paper, cardboard. The magic ratio, 1 part green to 2 parts brown. Avoid meat, dairy, oily foods, and pet poop. They attract pests and smell bad. Give it a stir every week or two to let it breathe. Your compost should feel like a wrung-out sponge. Not too dry, not too soggy. In 1-3 months, your compost will turn dark, crumbly, and smell earthy. That's plant food made from your trash. Mix it into garden beds, potted plants, or even lawn soil. Your plants will love the nutrients, and you'll love the savings. That's it! Composting is simple, free, and incredibly powerful. Less waste in landfills, more life in your garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a green-thumbed friend.